Alright, I don't know if this is filming me right, but so I almost crashed twice while getting to this man's house, but we're at the crawler crib. We're working on the 1 series. Alright, with that said, I have engine malfunction code coming up. Right? Not a code, it's just, I don't know, it's weird. It like comes on and then comes off, like after I turn the car on and off type shit. I'm gonna check my pulleys again, because I don't know, I feel like they're just not right. Or like, I don't know, don't do Amazon shit. That's all I gotta say. Always go OEM BMW pulleys, bro. And then with that, like, I don't know, I think my alternators are... Fucking hell. Alright, I don't know how much that shit got, but I'm leaking from my radiator. Pulleys are making a weird noise, so I'm gonna pretty much do a service right now. I think the radiator cracked by where the plastic meets the radiator. As you can see, there's a lot of spray happening there. And I think the culprit is from either the crack or where the plastic meets the radiator right there, where you can see the obvious buildup of coolant, or there's also that like plug back there that I'm gonna have to remove the fan. I'm gonna have to try to pull the radiator out a little bit. I don't want to disconnect the hoses and stuff because I don't want to put coolant in it again. And then hopefully get the JB4 all hooked up. So if you don't know, if you don't tend the battery while you're trying to do the tune, you're gonna pretty much kill the battery. And then on top of that, like say you're running your water pump and you want to get air out of it, you gotta use a lot of the battery, and you gotta run that shit for like 15 minutes. And you gotta do it multiple times if you so choose to get all the air out. And yeah, I mean, I'm hoping that engine malfunction is coming from the air getting into the radiator. I don't know if that's a BMW thing or if that even happens. I'm trying to find out. But yeah, so got a lot of shit to do today. And then I got a turbo blanket for the turbo because I need to check the turbo and hopefully put that on. So yeah, I'm gonna get started real quick. It's a lot of work, and this shit needs maintenance, bro. I don't know what it is with N55s, but honestly, bro, if you don't take care of your engines, this shit's not gonna run right. So if you fucking have a car, bro, take care of it, man. Shit, dude, it's super easy. But the engine bay looking good. I'm gonna heat wrap the world. Alright, we're about to do the oil change on this man's car. As you can see. Yo. As you can see, this man is dry as a bone. So, he's getting freshy. I'm gonna drop the oil from the pan now, and then I'll update you then. Alright, so yeah, this man's leaking a fucking, oh my god, this is caked up. Look at how terrible this looks. Oh. Is that where the bolts? Oh, the fucking drain plug is right there, bro. I'm dumb. Oh, wow. Other way. Yo, okay, guys, I'm dumb. The drain plug was so caked up, I overlooked it. It's right there. And it looks to be... Oh, it's just a Phillips. Oh, okay, I thought it would be a fucking Torx bit, but it's just a Phillips. All right, well, I got the job for that. Oh. All right, so I got this man's oil filter out. Hold on, let me switch it. As you can see, I have it draining. Honestly, the oil wasn't as bad as I thought, but yeah, it still needed to happen. We had to back up just in case All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace the filter with the new one. We are using like what I run in my 1 series. This is some sauce right here. Make sure you guys get it at 5W40, and this is at Molly Jam. Yeah, right there, the sauce. And all right, so now that I have the new filter hooked up, what I do like to do is I like to take a little bit of the new oil and I like to rub it around this O-ring right here when you replace it. I don't know, it's just form a habit. It didn't come with a new O-ring for this, so I'm gonna tell this man to fucking get a new ring for this just in case when we do the next oil change. And then so yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here once I close up the pan underneath, and then I like to just put a little bit of fresh oil in here because you can see how nasty it is. I mean, essentially, I don't know, brake clean maybe, clean it out, maybe plug up, so not too much of that shit gets in there. I don't know, clean up the housing a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in here, close up the pan, put the oil in here, and then fill up the rest of the way. All right, so pretty much it's just dripping right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just plug it up, and then I'm gonna start filling it from the top. I'm gonna put the new crush washer. I'm gonna clean up that a little bit with microfiber, and then plug it up. And yeah, fill it up from the top again. Repeating myself, but that's the process. Bro, what the fuck is this? Yeah, it's cobs, man. Oh, 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 no. Sure. I'm gonna open this up, or attempt to open it up. What the fuck? Get that shit out of my way. Retard. Oh, what the fuck? Bruh. Alright, yeah, so I just picked up a G80, you know? No, I'm just kidding. Nightcrawler needed a fucking pickup, so we got the boy. So I'll do a couple pulls. Well, shit, honestly, I don't want to go too fast because I don't know. It's a rental, but I'm gonna honestly like. I really don't like that it's no longer DCT. I don't know. That's just me. It's kind of weird, but it does handle very well. It's very tight. The interior looks sick as hell. I love the ambient lights, but I honestly I love the digital dash, but I can't get used to all this technology, I'll tell you that. Yeah, honestly, going 65 miles an hour, it really doesn't feel like going 65. Alright, I'll hit you guys back when we're at Crawler's house. Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna be installing hella E36 parts. Like, dude, look at this man's corner. Like, do you even car guy? Do you even car guy? Right, babe? Has the poles next to the Vaders. Fuck. How do I not get that? Look at the Vaders in the corner, bro. Like, man's fucking chilling. Like, you have no idea. Like, you really don't even BMW like this, man. That's all I gotta say. Like, Jesus, E36, bro. Let me not get though.
So essentially, I go to Medellin, which is get me to. I'm doing.
Dude, that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. All right, so we are now in Ken's F80. Gotta go put E inside the motherfucking tank right now. So I'll update you guys when we're at the gas station. Oh, sorry. So 30-year-old cars gotta do a refresh, but I was talking about how I clean the manifold. Gotta do the upgraded alternator. There's the box. Kind of doing this shit. Flies is hitting right now. I want to see how far I can get done today because it's getting kind of late. But yeah. Vice City Nightcrawlers, Techno Pilot E36. Shout out the boy. Yes, sir. Alright, so I put the upgraded alternator pulley on the alternator, obviously. It's got a bolt in the back that I believe goes on the front of this, you know, if I'm not mistaken. We'll find out when I take that one off how the orientation is of the bolt. But yeah, look at the difference between alternator to that alternator, bro. That shit looks like ass. Alright, roadblock after roadblock. Alright, so I gotta install these pedals, and now I gotta see if this man has a drill bit for his pedals, because I don't have a 1/8 drill bit, and that's what it says to use. So, because these are like, they lay over the stock pedals. You take the rubber off the pedal, and then you drill these, and then you apply aluminum pieces with, it has rubber backing. So yeah, I'm gonna find out if this man has the fucking bit or not. And if not, this is where I'm gonna end the video, because I gotta completely flush the system to take out the electric fan, because I gotta fucking pull the bolt all the way out of the alternator, and I don't have room because the fan's in the way. And I'm not trying to do that late at night. So I'm gonna end the video here, and then I'll pick back up whenever I start doing the system flush for the E36. Okay, so I mocked up the dining pedal that I'm gonna install, and I think that's the best look to it. Kind of had to bend the corner a little bit to make it kind of flush, so because there's a slight bend in that stock pedal plastic, and I'll have to do the same for the brake and the clutch. So yeah, it comes with these rubber backings as well, so it's gonna give it a whole new sporty and aggressive look, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, what's up, guys? So I didn't end the video. I'm gonna pick up. So I found a drill bit. Just finished installing the dining pedals. You literally, so both the clutch and the accelerator pedal are plastic. So you just 1/8 drill bit those, and they come with locking nuts on the back. So I'm gonna just button those up, and yeah, the E36 has new dining pedals. I think that looks way better, bro. And I mean, tell me what you guys think. Does it look straight? I didn't make them crooked. I think they look pretty good. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I don't know what the fuck that was, but goddamn, sounded like a fart can. Alright, so fuck it, I was gonna end the video, but predicament happened. I don't know where the fuck I'm leaking from, but it seems like my radiator was like just dumping hella fluid, and like, I mean, see for yourselves. The radiator is gonna go bye-bye. I'm taking it out right now. Just so you guys know, you gotta undo these, just lift them up. Don't mind my hose, this shit broke off. I gotta get new hoses, everything's old. This shit was neglected, this whole car was neglected. But I'm having trouble pulling this off, so I just undid this piece right here. I have an upgraded billet piece that I'm gonna put on this water inlet. It's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then the third one's down here. These I believe are T25 or T27s. The radiator bolts that go here and on the other side, over on the other side of the radiator over here, it's also T25s or T27s as well, sorry. And then this one down here is a T25, so I'm trying to get a piece for it so I can undo that. That goes to the transmission cooler. Bro, it's crazy how people neglect their cars and then you gotta go and clean it up, you know? Shit's really annoying. Oh, and then this hose down there, that one is a bitch to get off, so I'm trying to pry it out right now. Trying to pry this one out, I ended up breaking a bunch of the plastic that's on the hose itself and the actual radiator piece. Not convenient, man. Does not look good. So I'll update you guys when I'm in a different space. Why does BMW use plastic for shit? I don't understand. Like, especially when their engines run on high temps, super high temps actually. And I think I might clean the van nose solenoids while I'm at it. Fuck it. That way the car just runs better overall. I'll update you guys.